Is your fence looking a little worse for wear after that last storm? Let's dive into how much Allstate might cover for wind damage to your fence. First, it's crucial to understand that Allstate's coverage for fences often falls under your dwelling or other structures coverage, depending on your specific policy. To determine the exact extent of your coverage, you'll need to review your Allstate policy documents. Look for sections detailing other structures or appurtenant structures. Fences are generally considered other structures if they are detached from your main dwelling. This means their coverage might have a separate limit, often a percentage of your main dwelling coverage, like 10%. So, if your dwelling coverage is $300,000 and your policy has a 10% limit for other structures, your fence coverage could be up to $30,000, but this will vary based on your individual policy. Now, let's talk about your deductible. This is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. Allstate policies typically have a deductible specified for wind or storm damage, which will apply to your fence claim. If your fence has sustained wind damage, the first step in the claim process is to document everything thoroughly. Take clear photos and videos of the damage from multiple angles as soon as it's safe to do so. Next, contact your Allstate agent or visit the Allstate website to initiate a claim. You'll likely need to provide details about the damage and when it occurred. Allstate will then typically send an adjuster to assess the damage and determine the cost of repairs or replacement based on your policy terms and limits. Understanding your policy limits and deductible is key to navigating the claims process, so take a moment to review your Allstate homeowners insurance and know your fence's protection.